The Huawei P20 Lite, one of the cheapest phones to sport a notch. Well, you wanted it, we got it for you, and in this video, let's unbox it. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and in today's video, let's unbox and take a quick look at Huawei's new P20 Lite. Before we get to it, here's a card to our latest giveaway. I'll also be leaving a direct link to it in the description below. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. Here's the box the P20 Lite comes in. Opening it up, we have the phone itself. Let's take it out of the cover. There's the notch, thin bezels, the back looks nice, let's set it aside. We then have a SIM ejector tool and a soft case. Fits well. The back looks to be a fingerprint magnet, so it's good that Huawei's included a soft case here. Then there's a 5V 2A charger, which is followed by a Type-C cable, and finally a pair of earphones. Let's now get back to the P20 Lite and take a closer look. As suspected, the glass back is a fingerprint magnet, but it does look sweet though. The phone feels very premium in hand. The glass, the metal sides, it gives off a solid feel. I can't help but smile at how compact it is. We don't get to see a lot of compact phones. The Honor 9 Lite was an exception, and now the P20 Lite. It's not too compact, it's a tad smaller, but it is noticeable. It's also just 7.4mm thick, weighs in at around 145 grams, so quite light too. Now the reason why the P20 Lite feels compact is because it's got a marginally smaller display. The P20 Pro has a 6-inch display, but here there's a 5.84-inch display. This is an IPS LCD panel with a 19:9 aspect ratio. The resolution is Full HD+. Huawei states that it covers 96% of the NTSC color gamut, making it quite color accurate too. Initial impressions, looks to be a good display, bright with good viewing angles, and of course, to maximize the screen to body ratio, Huawei's gone with the infamous notch. The notch houses the sensor, earpiece, and a 24-megapixel selfie camera. Now if you noticed, we just have the Huawei branding to the front. That's because the fingerprint scanner has been moved to the back. We also find two cameras here. We'll talk more about it in a bit. With the placements, well, they are pretty standard. There is one surprise. The P20 Lite has a 3.5mm headphone jack, something the more expensive P20 Pro lacks. It also has support for microSD in the form of a hybrid slot. For the first time on a P Lite series phone, we got Type-C here. All this is quite impressive. Where I am a little disappointed is with regards to the internals. Nope, it's not the 4 gigs of RAM, no, it's not the 64 gigs of storage, and no, it's definitely not the 3000 mAh battery. I'm happy with all that. Where I am a little disappointed is with the fact that this phone sports the Kirin 659 chip. Now don't get me wrong, I like the Kirin 659 a lot. It's been great on the 7X, 9i, and even the 9 Lite. But given that we've seen it used on all these much more cheaper phones, I wish Huawei had gone with something else here. That said, the performance seemed good, my initial impressions at least. The P20 Lite is running on EMUI or EMUI version 8.0, built on top of Android 8.0 Oreo. There are quite a few preloaded apps, but they are uninstallable, so no worries. Huawei offers a lot of features with EMUI like themes, options to enable the app drawer. It even lets you hide the navigation bar, and more importantly, that notch. So there you go, notch free. If you hate the notch, you can take it off entirely. There's a lot here. The performance seems nice, and the few hours I've spent with this phone, everything felt snappy, nothing to complain about. Next, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of this phone. The reason why we've got text and a landscape orientation to the back, the cameras. The P20 Lite gets a dual camera setup to the back. We've got a primary 16-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture. The secondary camera is a 2-megapixel depth sensor. On the software side of things, Huawei has thrown in a lot of features, including a dedicated Pro mode. This is something I love about Huawei and Honor. They throw in a full Pro mode regardless of the budget. But that said, this phone doesn't support 4K video. That's sadly a side effect of the Kirin 659 chip inside. Part of the reason why I do feel a little disappointed. Now the pictures that you're seeing here, they were shot with this phone. How do you think they fared? Let us know in the comments below. By the way, the 24-megapixel selfie camera offers a 78-degree field of view, utilizes a lens with an f2.0 aperture. and offers a lot of software tweaks to get the best selfies possible. Even with the selfie camera, Huawei's included a portrait mode. Now this phone is priced at 20,000 rupees and is available online via Amazon. I currently am using it as my primary phone and will continue to do so, and I have more to say on it in my full review that should come out soon, pretty soon. So what do you guys think about the P20 Lite? Are you, like me, impressed with the build and design but feel a tad let down by the chip inside? Or do you feel the P20 Lite offers enough to justify that 20,000 rupee price tag? Let us know in the comments below. So I guess that's it for this quick unboxing and hands-on. If you hated the video, well, you know what to do. But if you did like it, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. Enough, I must bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this here's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.